Good morning. Today, guys, is the end of the month. It's December 31, 2023. And right now, my mom is making or boiling water. Look at that. She stuck some kahoy for, the whole year. Char. It's not the whole year. It's like, I think, a month or weeks or days. So time check, it's 7:26 and I'm going to prepare it very very soon. My duty today is 9:30 and I need to travel for 1 hour and I need allowance like 30 minutes. So yeah. Okay, this time I'm just gonna show you guys the final output. So this is the garage bamboo, made of bamboo that I vlogged already yesterday, but it's not finished. So it's very simple. This um, bamboo is made by Uncle Bobby. So yeah, I think my mom paid Uncle Bobby for that. Pilain mo nga, ano ma? Yung bayad kay Bobby. She paid 150 pesos for that. Okay. I don't know if it's like clear to you or not. That's 150. Alright. So that's how it looks. Okay. Well, I can zoom out. That's Bunbun clothes. So I'm having coffee. Look at that.